131 iodine Mibg. This film is about the 131 Mibg therapeutic oral solution, which is produced in Pars Isotope Company. This medicine is used for diagnosis and treating a group of cancers called neuroendocrine tumors. These include pheochromocytoma and neuroblastoma cancer. This radiopharmaceutical is administered for intravenous injection only. This packaging contains a lead shield in which a 131 Mibg vial is located and should only be uncovered by the experts in this field. Open the package after ensuring that this package had been transferred for your center. Check the type of production, expiration date, and storage condition of radiopharmaceutical. If not, don't use it and call the supplier or producer. After opening the packaging, read the leaflet of the radiopharmaceutical carefully. This packaging contains dry ice to prepare the storing condition of below -15 degrees Celsius temperature. If there isn't any dry ice in the packaging, this medicine is stable to be used only for 1 day. After taking the radiopharmaceutical, put it into the freezer with a temperature less than -15 degrees Celsius. Take out the shield from the packaging and check the information on the label, such as type, date of production, activity, and expiration date. Open the shield under the lead glass shield for reducing the absorbed dose by personnel. After opening the shield, look carefully inside the shield and check the vial. If the vial has been broken or damaged, don't use it and call the supplier or producer. Measure the activity before using this radiopharmaceutical, and if there is a wrong activity, ensure that your dose calibrator had been calibrated. Call the supplier or producer. This radiopharmaceutical is a transparent and colorless solution and contains no other particle. If you observe any particle or change in its color, don't use it and call the supplier.